Get ready to conquer any project with the Keelat 121-piece tool set. This comprehensive kit is packed with everything you need for automotive repairs, home improvements, and more. Let's explore some of its standout features. Powerful ratchets for every job. Large ratchet wrench. This heavy-duty wrench delivers maximum torque, making quick work of even the most stubborn bolts. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Small ratchet wrench, perfect for tight spaces and intricate tasks. This compact wrench offers precision and quick adjustments. Ratchet extension. Gain extra reach and access hard-to-reach areas with this essential extension. No more straining or contorting yourself in awkward positions. Rotatable extension. This innovative tool allows for unparalleled maneuverability. Pivot and adjust your ratchet in any direction, making those awkward angles and tight spots a breeze. Your next project is just a tool away.